Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make egg salad. First, gather your essential ingredients: fresh eggs, creamy mayonnaise, and a touch of mustard. Next, prepare your seasonings such as salt, black pepper, and a pinch of paprika for flavor. Don't forget to chop some crisp celery and a bit of onion if you enjoy extra texture and a subtle bite in your salad. These simple steps lay the foundation for a delicious dish. Achieving the perfect hard-boiled egg is key. Carefully place your eggs in a single layer in a pot and cover them with cold water, ensuring about 1 inch of water above the eggs. Bring the water to a rolling boil, then immediately turn off the heat, covering the pot with a lid. Let the eggs sit in the hot water for 10 to 12 minutes, then transfer them to an ice bath to cool completely. This stops the cooking process and makes them easier to peel. Once your hard-boiled eggs are cool, it's time to peel and chop them into your desired size. In a mixing bowl, combine the chopped eggs with your mayonnaise and mustard. Add your prepared seasonings like salt, pepper, and paprika, adjusting to your taste. Finally, gently fold in the chopped celery and onion. Mix everything until just combined, being careful not to overmix, which can make the salad watery. Once your egg salad is perfectly mixed, it's best to chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully, enhancing the overall taste and texture. When ready to serve, you can enjoy it in many ways: piled high on toasted bread, scooped onto crisp crackers, or even tucked into fresh lettuce wraps for a lighter option. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. It's a versatile and satisfying meal for any time of day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.